Today we're going to review simple machines. Let's review a few things first. Remember, force is when you push or pull on an object. Work is when you use force to actually move something. You can apply force but not actually move something, and it's not work. Simple machines are machines with few or no working parts. They make work easier. How well do you know the 6 simple machines? Do you know their form, what it looks like, and their function, which is their job? Let's see. The first simple machine is a lever. Its form is it is a bar that moves around a fixed point, which is called a fulcrum. Its function is it is used to lift and move objects. Examples are a hammer, a rake, a broom, and a crowbar. Next is a wheel and axle. Its form is it is a wheel rotating around a rod. Its function is that it is used to carry objects over long distances. Examples are a wagon wheel, bicycle wheels, a windmill, and a doorknob. Next is a pulley. Its form is it is a rope that goes over a wheel. Its function is that it is used to lift objects. Examples are elevators and flagpoles. Next is an inclined plane. Its form is that it is a ramp. It is a flat surface that is sloped or tilted. Its function is that it is used to move objects up and down. Examples are wheelchair ramps, slides, and ramps on moving trucks. Next is a screw. Its form is that it is an inclined plane wrapped around a pole. Its function is that it holds things together. Examples are the screw on the screen, a pencil sharpener, and jar lids. Finally, we have a wedge. Its form is that it is a triangle. It's 2 inclined planes put together. Its function is that it separates objects. Examples are an axe, a knife, a fork, and a pizza cutter. Now that you know all the 6 simple machines, let's talk about compound machines. Compound machines are 2 or more simple machines put together. They also make work easier. Let's look at some compound machines and see if we can figure out the simple machines that are in them. One type of compound machine is scissors. Scissors have wedges and levers. The blades are the wedges. They are used to separate objects like paper. The handles are levers. They move up and down. Where they meet is the fulcrum. A wheelbarrow is also a compound machine. It has levers, a wheel and axle, and an inclined plane. The handles are the levers. You move them up and down. The wheel and axle is the wheel on the wheelbarrow. When you tip the wheelbarrow up, it's an inclined plane. A bicycle is also a compound machine, and it has a lot of simple machines. It has 2 wheel and axles, a pulley, levers, and screws. The wheel and axles are the wheels on the bicycle. The pulley is the chain that moves when you ride your bicycle. The pedals are levers because you move them up and down, but also the handlebar is a lever. You just move it side to side. There are screws all over the bicycle to hold it together. Tomorrow, we're going to have a quiz on simple machines. Make sure that you understand the 6 simple machines. You can listen to this video again to make sure you really understand.